Have you ever seen trees that look like they were planted upside down? Welcome to the Avenue of the Baobabs, one of the most mysterious, ancient, and mind-blowing places on Earth. And guess what? These trees hold secrets that even scientists are still trying to uncover. These trees aren't just big, they're colossal. Some are over 30 meters tall, and their trunks are thick enough to hide a small car inside. But here's the craziest part. Some of these baobabs are believed to be more than 800 years old. That means they were alive before the Mona Lisa was painted. These trees are more than just tall, they're also life-saving. Baobabs can store up to 120,000 liters of water inside their trunks to survive dry seasons. Yes, 120,000 liters. That's enough drinking water for a village for months. In times of drought, even animals like elephants and lemurs chew on their bark to get moisture. Here's something you've probably never seen: a Baobab flower. They bloom just once a year and only for one single night. They open in the evening and wither by morning. That's it. Blink and you'll miss them. And the fruit? Locals call it monkey bread. It's rich in vitamin C, calcium, and antioxidants. Some even say it's a natural superfood. One baobab fruit contains more vitamin C than 10 oranges. To the people of Madagascar, these trees are sacred. Many believe spirits live inside them. Some villages hold ceremonies at the base of these trees to honor their ancestors. And unlike many places around the world, these trees weren't planted. They were left behind when the forests were cleared. They stood tall while the world around them changed. Today, the Avenue of the Baobabs is the most photographed place in Madagascar. People travel from all over the world just to walk between these silent giants. And here's a little known fact. There are 9 species of baobabs in the world, and 6 of them are found only in Madagascar. That's right. These trees are nowhere else on Earth. So, the next time you hear someone say, "Trees can't tell stories," tell them about the Avenue of the Baobabs. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves nature's mysteries. And tell us in the comments, would you walk this magical avenue at sunrise or sunset?